today we are going to be making zucchini chocolate chip muffins. Wait, chocolate zucchini chocolate chip muffins. I have made this recipe a bazillion million times and I always change it up. So let's see what variation we get today. Originally I had it as a non-gluten-free recipe. So it has now been de-glutened. So, but I'm going to mix up the recipe yet again, so we'll see how it turns out. But this is my go-to, never fail, always delicious chocolate muffin recipe basically. So come along with me and let's do this. First things first, let's shred our zucchini. 1 cup gluten-free flour, half a cup all-purpose gluten-free flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, baking powder, baking soda, cinnamon, salt, cocoa powder. Okay, a little tip for you guys. Sometimes what I do with recipes with brown sugar like this, where there's big clumps, I just go in with my hands and just go through and kind of break up the clumps of brown sugar so that we don't have any large lumps in our batter. All right, on to our wet ingredients. 1/2 cup of milk, oil, applesauce, lemon juice, vanilla. I'll give it a little mix here. And our zucchini. I just use this one whole small one. Maybe not quite a whole one. Now, if you end up putting too much zucchini, it will be too much moisture for the recipe. So I recommend only doing about no more than a cup probably, or the majority of 1 small zucchini. Okay. Now let us pour the wet into the dry. All right, we'll give it a stir. Let's add our chocolate chips. Like usual, I'm just going to pour as many as I want. I like my zucchini muffins to be quite chocolatey, so we'll just fold those in a bit here. Okay, looking perfect. And we're ready for the oven. Let's go. All right, in the oven they go. We will, since it's mini muffins, I'm gonna put them on for 12 minutes and then check them to see how they're doing at 350. 12 minutes is up. So let's get our toothpick and test one of these back ones. Ooh, looks good. We'll test one by the front of the oven door as well. Awesome, looks like they're done. Alrighty. Let's give it a taste. It peeled off the wrapper really nice, actually. Yeah, these are really good because they're a muffin, not a cupcake, so they're not like extremely sweet. So chocolatey, so good. All right, y'all. Clay was raving about how good the ones in the middle are. I realized the one I ate was one of the very last ones I scooped out, which had no chocolate chips or anything, and I was like, this tastes so plain. So anyways, let's get a good one that actually has chocolate chips in it and try it. So I split it apart already for a reel. You can see the inside. Ooh, yeah. Okay, let's give this one a try. There is the chocolate chips. So good. A little like gummy. But I find that is pretty common with gluten-free stuff so far that I've made, so I don't know necessarily how to fix that, but it's fine. It's not that bad. I'll take it for a delicious muffin. So that will be it for the video today. I hope you enjoyed. I hope maybe you learned something, and go make these muffins. I will see you in the next